step into the world of Filix School of Education as we host our very first open house for the academic session 2025-26.
Middle, and then equally you have to draw the drops.
At Felix, we give children the tools to explore, create, and grow in an environment designed for their success.
Our Finnish inspired pedagogy ensures that every student is engaged, curious, and ready to discover their potential. Through experiential learning and creative activities, we are shaping the leaders of tomorrow.
Felix makes learning so much fun. I love showing my parents everything I have learned.
Be part of the Filix journey and see how we inspire bright futures. Together, let's make learning an adventure.